Greetings, greetings.
Hello, folks.
Now, we've got something to talk about. A lot of people want us to evaluate them one-on-one and
Right.
give them
Make
recommendations.
a request.
Right. We'd love to do it.
We'd love to.
There's literally thousands of people we get, we just can't
We
do it.
can't do it physically.
Right. We're busy and we had to make
We're
a
old.
decision. But we do have some good options for you. We want to talk about our programs option.
We'll do that in a minute.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, hold on.
Keep them coming.
Yes.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Option number one, Brad, is we got free programs.
Free programs. What
Right.
does that mean?
So go to our website,
bobandbrad.com.
bobandbrad.com.
Yep.
Go to the free program section, and we got programs on sciatica, foot
But
pain.
that's still not answering my question. What is a program?
Oh, it's about anywhere from 20 to 40 videos
On each
a
subject.
specific topic.
Exactly. I think of it as like our sciatica program section has 40 videos related directly to sciatica. You just go through the titles, pick out the title that.
You don't have to watch each one.
Right, they're only about 10 minutes long. If you got pain down the leg, how to get rid of the pain down the leg, look for that title. Pick it out, watch it, and the big benefit of these that other videos don't have is a free PDF printout reviewing the whole video and the exercises.
And this is absolutely free, no email, nothing.
Right, just go to our website, look it up, and it saves you a lot of
It'll
time.
help a lot of
Yeah,
people.
you don't have to go through the whole world of exercises
It's
and
our
videos.
gift to you.
There you go.
The next thing we have, Brad, are paid programs.
Mm-hmm.
Now, these aren't us. These are Rick Olderman. He's a really fine physical
Yeah,
therapist.
he's very talented, and he's approached physical therapy in a sense to help out people that have chronic pain and how to take care of themselves. And that's our goal, is to help you learn techniques so you can take care of
To
yourself.
be honest, he's better than we are.
Yeah, he really is. He's incredibly
But
intelligent.
it's neck pain, back pain, foot pain, knee pain, hip pain.
Yep. So what you'll do with this is you'll purchase a program for, say, you have knee pain, and it's really not that much, and it's going to
No.
go through and give you specific exercises in a different way than we do, and it'll help them out.
I used it on my daughter,
Yep.
a friend, 3 friends, and it's helped them all.
Right. So they just got the program, they watch it
Watch it,
independently, and they've had good progress with it.
And they aren't that much. With our coupon, it's down to $37.50.
Yeah, that's the deal. You can't
Yeah,
even walk
really.
into the doctor's or PT
That's right.
office for action.
We hate to charge you, but Rick has got to make some money.
That's life.
Yeah.
We got to live.
So the final method is, Brad, Rick can actually see you online
Right.
through telehealth.
Right.
And there's a catch though. That's a big one. It's expensive.
Right. Well, healthcare is expensive when you get this level.
When he had his clinic, people would fly from around the country
Right.
to come and see him.
Right.
He's that good.
You're getting an expert in the field.
Right. So I know it's crazy, but he charges $300 per session.
Mm-hmm.
But if it takes away your pain and you've had it for years, it probably is worth it.
Exactly right. So again, that's our last
Alternative.
But if you need it and you have
Start with the free ones.
that's right. I don't know what else to say, Bob. You want to sing a song?
How about
Oh, yeah.
our free merch?
Yeah, we do need to get strong like bull, and that's our goal.